Hi, this is Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. Enjoy the summary. Welcome back, pilots. In today's recap, we're diving into the latest Star Atlas community town hall, an action-packed session brimming with high energy, huge development milestones, and a clear message from the team. Work behind the scenes is happening at a frantic pace. Hosted by Jose, Xcode, John, and Michael, the event was equal parts high-level strategic alignment and deep-dive developer check-in, showcasing just how much the ecosystem is evolving day by day. The event kicked off with a lively discussion around the upcoming DAO Council elections. Council members Emperor and Shiftblade took to the stage with a bit of playful banter, joking that if more community members don't step up to run, the council might end up run by an AI-driven revolution. On a more serious note, Emperor emphasized that the council stewards roughly $30,000 USDC in the ecosystem fund, money meant to fuel community meetups, social media efforts, and development initiatives. This led right into a powerful vision check from Automata CEO Michael Roberts. Michael reassured the community that the DAO and foundation structures are built for the long haul, unaffected by short-term market slumps. He reiterated the ultimate dream for Star Atlas, gradually transitioning the entire Star Atlas IP into the DAO itself. In this future, Polis holders act as true stakeholders, while Automata functions as a contracted development studio funded through revenue sharing and development agreements. It was an inspiring reminder of the decentralized digital nation everyone is building together. Transitioning from governance to gameplay, Jindo dropped in to give a fast-paced preview of the Star Atlas trading card game. The TCG has made massive strides, introducing a new Frontier Dispatch feature, a seasonal community challenge where players work together toward massive credit rewards. Jindo showcased an expanded Celestial archive that now boasts over 400 new cards, bringing the total to over 415 playable cards, featuring everything from nimble fighters all the way up to majestic Titan-class ships and rare anomalies like the Basan Last Stand. With single-player tutorial campaigns, draft modes, and customized profiles rolling out, the game is rapidly coming to life. The discussion then shifted to the star of the show, the massive grind occurring on the C4 Public Test Realm, PTR. Jose proudly shared that the engineering team managed to squash an astounding 64 bugs in just 5 days, eliminating game-breaking issues like the persistent action point reset bug. Game developer John provided an update on the Nemesis engine, revealing that pirate NPCs are now fully armed, calibrated, and actively patrolling and garrisoning regional star bases. Adding to the C4 excitement, Michael outlined the game's upcoming dual-track economic model. Players engaging in PvE activities like starbase upkeep will earn a share of a daily LP emissions pool. Meanwhile, PvP combat will introduce an adrenaline-pumping medallion system. Destroying enemy fleets drops redeemable medallions directly into your cargo hold. This creates an intense risk-reward dynamic. Do you extract your hard-earned loot immediately, or push deeper into enemy territory carrying a haul that other players can steal if they destroy your fleet? Michael also touched on upcoming features like the Democracy module, which allows players to build regional governance wings on Tier 5 starbases to capture local market fees, and a planned rebalancing of safe zone resources to encourage players to venture out into higher-risk space. Throughout the event, the team showered love on the community members who make this metaverse thrive, giving special shout-outs to community leaders like SIF Wall for sparking great design debates, as well as the dedicated daily PTR playtesters keeping the feedback loop strong. To wrap things up, the big takeaway from this town hall is clear. Star Atlas is building fast, and the opportunities to shape its future are open right now. If you want to get involved, head over to the DAO Announcements channel to submit your application for the council elections. If you're a card slinger, slide into Jindo's DMs to join the active group of TCG playtesters. He needs at least 8 live players to test the new Premier Draft mode. And finally, jump into the C4 PTR to experience the freshly fixed, feature-packed gameplay for yourself. Until next time, GM, keep flying safe, and we'll see you in the stars.